Friday, December 9th, and it's midday. Temperature has not risen above freezing here in the shade, like -2, a bit warmer in the sun. So there's still frost. There's still frost on the vacuum tubes on the solar water heater. They're absolutely freezing to the touch. So what is the temperature of the water in the tank up on top right now? 36 centigrade, which is what, like 70 plus Fahrenheit. So you're still getting some bit of heat as the solar, the vacuum tubes. So this is the heat exchanger. Well, you can feel a nice bit of heat. It's 36 degrees. Yeah, you can feel a nice bit of heat now there. I mean, when you think about it, like frost, -5 this morning. It's Sunday, December 11th, around 1 o'clock. Nice sunny day. And temperature in the solar water heat tank, 32 degrees centigrade. Still very cold here. About +8, +9 in the sun. But this solar panel is shaded from the sun there, but it's still generating current because they're photovoltaic panels, meaning that they will generate current if they have light on them. And keeping the battery there at 14.2 volts at the moment. So I'm just measuring here on the, and looking here in the charge controller. It's very simple. First two connections are for the battery, next two connections are for the PV panel. And then the next connection is for the load. It's generating 36 volts. Just put this panel in the sun here now to measure what kind of current is it generating here. 39 volts. Reminds me of the bogs years ago.
Yeah, that's true, yeah, in the winter time.
Wow, look at the ice. The canes coming up out of it. It reminds me of Kilbarry bogs when we were children in the 50s and the 60s. Remember down by the pipe, down past Kelly's shop?
Yeah,
remember stepping on ice like that and going through it, having to go home wet up to the waist.
Remember the year of '66? I was thinking all the crowd came out from town to ski on the...
Oh, all the crowd skating on the ice down in Kilbarry, yeah. Well, do you remember there was one year here now that the lads, I remember Michael and the lads skating here, remember that?
Yeah.
What year was that?
Jeez, we had them 2 years at the serious. Remember we had 2 years all the roads, even they couldn't go to Mass on Christmas Eve. Yeah?
I'd say it was 2010. 2010 maybe?
12 years ago, I'd say.
Yeah, it's 2010 I would say.